November 27th, 2019, and we're going to make Grandma Hensley's cornbread dressing. And you always use Morrison's corn kits. It has no sugar in it, and don't ever make cornbread dressing that has sugar in it. I've used 4 corn kits, which is a lot. It would feed 20 people easily or more.
You use 4 of those?
Yes.
Okay.
And
you made it up in advance?
yep, and
Okay.
you can make it up, you know, a couple of days in advance. This in here, and one of y'all that has pretty clean hands, just start
I'm clean.
crumbling it up.
Okay.
Like so.
Do you want that one too, or just half?
Oh,
all of it?
We're going to do all of it.
Okay.
And,
All right. I just washed my hands.
and I need
So
somebody to, in a little bit after you kind of crumble that up, we're going to chop up a dozen boiled eggs. And it doesn't have to be real fine.
Okay.
You can just kind of gob it up, and we can always go back and, which is just get a jar of the stuff that I use. Okay.
Does it go in here? Or you? Okay.
And kind of, you kind of want to do this like that,
Do it twice.
and then this way.
Smart. So
And-
smaller pieces. Okay.
And then just kind of crumble it over what Julie's doing. Okay. While y'all are doing that, I'm going to saute big onion, and I always just do the celery about the same size of whatever the onion is. Or if you like more celery, do more. Let me get a little bit of butter. And your Christmas list.
Yeah, I don't think I have one.
Because it's necessary.
Do we have one, Eric? I don't think so.
She probably could buy dressing someplace,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's not as good as Grandma Hensley's. Okay, we're gonna, you saute this until, what's the word? El dente, not real mushy, kind of firm. Poppy, you want to take that?
So how many eggs? Gigi, a dozen?
A dozen.
Were there a dozen deviled eggs?
4.
Put 11 go in here,
Okay.
and then 1 goes in the gravy.
One, save one and put it in a plastic bag. Poppy, you're gonna get one of those little plastic bags. This is how to make the gravy.
Okay.
I buy about 3 or 4 of these.
Uh-huh.
You chop up an egg. You can
Uh-huh.
put as much in there as you want to.
Okay.
And that's why I always want your drippings from your turkey, because whenever I get over there,
You add
put-
it to
and
flavor.
and
Yeah.
it's easy. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't have to do all that stirring and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And nobody knows the difference. And at 7, I'm probably going to set this out. And Mother always baked hers real fast, like at 400 or I don't know, whatever. But I usually stick it in the oven, 325, and let it cook longer.
For how long?
Julie, until it gets firm
Okay.
and brown and crusty on the top.
So you don't cover it.
No.
You don't, when you put it in there, you don't put a cover on it.
And if you make it the same day, it'll be too juicy to bake. You'll never get it to all bake out. So I make it the night before, and I make it real soupy, and then it soaks all that up.
Okay.
And
So about how many hours? Like,
I'm probably
2
going
or
to bake it at
3?
least 2,
uh-huh.
maybe 2.5.
Okay.
I'm aiming to be through at 11:30 in order to get over there.
Okay.
And this, you don't want it cooked all the way because it's going to bake in there.
Okay.
But just
Now, did you put butter in there? I didn't see. A little bit
did
of butter.
About that much
Uh-huh.
for
Okay.
1 big onion.
Okay.
And
Sounds good.
if you like celery, you can put more celery. We just kind of, Poppy just quit chopping, and a couple of days before,
Yeah.
day before,
So it looks so even.
and put it over there. Oh, excuse me. And y'all, I don't put any salt until I taste of it, because most everything has some salt in it. And okay, the whole trick to this is getting enough liquid in it where I don't like that real dry dressing where you. Okay. And now this makes a lot, and I have to make a lot. I can't do it any other way. This is what I saw my mother do. Otter, do you want to get that chicken out before I forget what all goes in it? Oh, it's just a regular.
Yeah. 32 ounce. 32 ounce chicken.
And
2 of those.
I boiled the chicken and like an onion and some celery.
Little pieces.
Mm-hmm.
And then
My
boil it.
daddy didn't
Well,
like
that's
turkey,
then go to the-
so we always had chicken. Mother would put big pieces of chicken in here because Daddy liked it that way, and my daddy ruled the roost. And
I
so,
like the dark chicken, but she wants the light chicken.
well, I have 2 daughter-in-laws that don't eat dark chicken and grandchildren, so this is why we only, and Poppy picked,
White chicken.
Poppy picked through that. There is no gristle, no, and, oh, well, Jake turns up his nose if you put a piece of chicken in front of him. Okay. Oh, Otto, you want to see if there's more in there?
All right.
Uh,
Morrison juice.
yeah. And I boiled the chicken with a big heaping tablespoon of this in water and with some celery in. Okay, Poppy, let me see if I can find. I bought some sage this time. Oh, there it is. Do y'all see poultry seasoning up here? Oh, here's the. Oh, there it is. There. Oh, wait.
That's
Does
the
it-
lid, the lid's off of this.
Okay. Can you reach that? Poultry seasoning. I like this brand the best, which doesn't mean anything, but okay. And we're going to start out with I'm going to put all of this in here. So far we're up to 3 of these. Mother's recipe that I think I gave y'all, Julie, calls for like 1 teaspoon, but I don't think it's enough. So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna put a little sage. And I haven't done that before, but I thought just a little bit, and we'll see how it.
About a teaspoon of sage.
That was about half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Because I thought we could always, and then you just stir it up.
Looks good.
And
then when do you add the chicken? Kind of after you stir all this, get the liquids
I just poke it down
absorbed.
in there. And you just want to make sure that you get all of the onion and celery kind of, evenly. You taste it.
Okay.
See, I think it needs some more poultry seasoning. And I don't think that's too much. Okay. And you can, put some salt in it at some point. I eat so much salt that I'm afraid I always get it too salty for y'all. So, add on. Okay. And this is it. Once you get it down to the taste that you want, you poke the chicken in it, and that's it.
Nice. And then just cover it, put it in the refrigerator overnight.
Yeah, I'll
and
put
then
that.
pull it out a few hours before you put it in the oven.
Well,
Kind of set it out first
we
thing.
usually get up, at 7 and go to the bathroom. So I'm going to take it out. I'll probably put it in the oven about 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. And if it's not cooking, not yet. Here, I have to try it again. Then I just turn the heat up. But you'll think it's too juicy, Okay. Where's your spoon, Julie?
Right here.
I think it needs some more. Do you think it needs a little
pretty
salt?
good. Salt. I think it's pretty good. Eric's programmed me for salt though, so
Well,
I'm used to
I
salting. I've become acclimated to, accustomed to it.
okay. I'm gonna try a little bit. My poultry seasoning may have been old. I'm gonna try a little bit of this one. Okay. And did I put this back up? Okay. But what if you chop one day and you make cornbread one day, it's not that big a deal.
Put it all together.
And now we have to taste it again. Not.
You should just dump it back in the bowl, in the pot. Just dump that extra back in there.
I might if nobody was here.
It gets cooked.
Okay, Julie.
All right. Does anybody else want to try it?
It's getting there.
That's right.
I think it needs a little more salt.
I think it's good.
And the flavor's kind of. The cornbread is salty, and the whatever you call
Chicken broth.
the broth, and okay. And I'm probably not above putting,
Eric loves that.
Here.
He's programmed the kids with that too.
Just put a little bit.
It's good. Never hurts.
No.
Yeah.
Lowry's.
And
Oh, and we've got some
Seasoning
good
salt.
hot sauce that we brought back from Athens, Georgia.
the
It
How
would
was yours?
probably taste good on turkey.
oh yeah.
So.
Put some in our chicken tortilla soup last night.
Oh,
And I would just like to say for the record that the refs totally stole the game for us.
Yeah, we totally agree. I told Otto I thought they were on the take. For all those refs to be on the field and not one of them question, I'm like, okay. And this is what I do.
All right. Here, you taste that one, Chris.
And Julie, you can put a little bit this,
It's pretty good.
That'll work.
but okay. Do you think more poultry seasoning, more stage?
Oh, that's pretty good.
And I just, and then,
3-second rule. You can put it in there.
That's okay.